Yes, ladies, we are in the prime of our lives. Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, Age is Just a Number by Barbara Jean. This is the channel for women over 40, 50, 60, 70 and beyond who have a love of fashion and beauty. And today it is all about beauty. It is about mature beauty. I'm talking us ladies that are 50 and over. And yes, I am over that. I'm almost 66. I'm going to be 66 in a couple of months. Wow, where does the time go? But we're going to be talking about some eye looks for the mature woman, classy eye looks for the mature woman. Let me specify that. So, you know, as we get older, the more we pile on, the worse it looks. So less is more. So I've said many times in my life, I don't want my makeup to get in the room 5 minutes before I do. I want people to be able to see me. And the makeup is just an accentuation. It's just accessories. So what we're going to be talking about today are specifically these eyeliner and colored eyeliners for mature women. I would like to take a moment right here and thank Prometics for sending me all these beautiful products, the eyeliners and the mascaras, and for sponsoring this video. So let's get in with it. I'm going to tell you about the products, and then I'm going to show you how I got 3 looks, and this is one of them. So let's get started right now. They have come out with 5 new eyeliners. Now, I have got them swatched here on my hand, and I'm going to hold them up here. You can see there is Sapphire. Next is Emerald. Next is Smoky, and then Wood, and then Black. Or actually it's called Coal. So they're close up of those colors. So here they are. They have hyaluronic acid in them. They are so slick, meaning that they go on so easy, made for the mature woman so they don't tug on our eyes. They're hypoallergenic as well too. But the design of these, let me show you. This is really cool. Let me just get one here, and one at a time, and I'll show you. This is the Sapphire, and they have the beautiful color band on it. They have a wonderful smudger. It's just firm enough if you want to do a line and then smudge it. But they also have, whoops, I can get it here. There it is. It's hidden. It's a concealed. It is the sharpener, and it puts it into the perfect little rounded point that you need to get in there between your lashes. It's great. Now, one of the favorite things that I have, because as one of the things, you know, we deal with as mature women is our eyesight. So when you open it up, not only do you have the little color right here, blue, but when you open it up, you know you've got the right one that you're looking for because of this that holds the actual pencil. It's retractable. You can see. Push it back down. There. So even the, let's see, the green one, it's called Emerald, has the green right here and the green little one right there. So they have also sent me their mascaras. Yes, and what they've done is, because there are 2 types of mascara. There is the Prime Lash Volumizer, and there is the other one, Prime Lash Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. And each of those types of mascara come in 3 colors. They come in black, brown, and navy blue. And they graciously put stickers on the bottom, except for the one that, for some reason, this one came off. But it's, I know that that one, the missing is one of the brown. But you can see on here that they put that, so it's easy to read for us mature women. So, if you want to see how I got this look and 2 other simple eye looks for the mature woman, stay tuned. All right, so for this look, I'm going to do my tight lining first, and because 9 times out of 10, if I put my eyeshadow on then tight line, I mess up the eyeshadow. So I want to go ahead and start with the tight lining. So what I'm going to do is, for the upper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Wood, which Wood is a dark brown. So let's get this going here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on the shadow, and I'm going to do something very, very neutral and light. And I'm just going to be using just out of my collection Viseart here, and I'm just going to go into this kind of a darker nude color. There it is on the thing, and my mirror is here. The camera's here. All right, so I'm just going to go over that. Kind of, I'm going to go in with a little brown, but I'm just going to go in like this, tap it in, and then I'm doing that at the crease. But for this look, I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to go in on my lower lashes with Sapphire, or it's the pencil. Let me show you. And it's a navy blue, but it's not too dark. It's a little bit brighter than a navy blue. It's actually called Sapphire. So what we're going to do is, because it's pointy, and if I needed to, I would sharpen it, but I don't need to because it's already pointy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, that's not going to stay on. So I'm just going to put this in my lash line on the bottom, just ever so lightly. The brown mascara on the top lashes. So this is their, the box here. This is Prime Lash Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. So, and it is, I love the brush. It's all about the brush with me. Can you see that? I'm trying to get it there. You can. That's a good shot of how those little bitty bristles are there. So I'm just going to start doing this with this mascara in brown. There's 2 coats. All right, so now the fun part. I'm going to take the blue, and this one is the Prime Lash Volumizer. This is blue. We're going to put this on the bottom lashes with that blue eyeliner. We're going to add just a little bitty bit, but that's why it's just a little bit. You've got a nice neutral look, but with a little pop. So here's the brush on it, and you can see how blue it is. Isn't that pretty? All right. There's 2 coats. I don't know, it just adds a little bit. So I'll see if I can come up as close as you can. You can see just the slightest hint of blue on there to go with that nude color. So, what do you think? All right, so for this look, we're going to be using the Emerald and the Kohl, which is a dark green and a black eyeliner. And I have swatched them on my hand here. I'm hoping you can get I'm going to top it off with the black Lengthening and Volumizing Mascara. Let's get started. I'm going to use, no, I'm not going to do that first. I'm going to go in with the Kohl eyeliner, which is the black, and I'm going to go ahead and tight line. underneath. And I'm going to use my BK Beauty eyeshadow palette. This has got just, you can tell I use it a whole lot. It's kind of, it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So I'm going to go in with BK Beauty's A505. It's just a flat shader. And I'm going to go in with Beam, which is the lightest shade in here. And I'm going to go all over my lid with that. In with a small fluffy brush or small crease brush, which is the A504 by BK Beauty, and I'm going to go into the color called, it's a reddish brown, and it's called Beauty in this palette. So I'm going to go in, tap it off, and I'm going to put this in the crease to kind of make a bit of a definition there. And I'm going to put on the shimmer a little bit, which is, let me see, the name of it is called Brooklyn, which is right here. It's an ivory shimmer. And I'm going to put that on the lid so that the lid stands out. See? I love that on the lid. That's very simple, but it still has some color to it. So now we're going to go in with the Emerald eyeliner, and because these are already sharpened for me. All right, now I'm going to go on my top lash line with this. And I'm just going to make simple, small strokes. This is a little bitty pencil brush, and this is by REVIV, and this is the number 23, but it's, as you can see according to my hand, it's very, very, very small. So what I'm going to do is, and you can do this also, if you didn't want to use this on your eyeliner, you wanted to have more control with the brush, you could just go on, oops, I'm not right here. You can just go up here and put some, brush it gently with your brush, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a little bit upwards, just a smidgen. The mascara in black. So, all right, so this is the green, or the emerald eyeliner and the black, using it with this look. So tell me what you think about this look. All right, so for this look, I'm going to be using the two eyeliners that are, one is called Wood, which is the brown one, and then the grayish silver, it is called Smoky. And I have swatched them here on my hand. This is Smoky, and this is brown. See if you can see that up close. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take again the beige color Beam from BK Beauty, and I'm just going to place it all over my eyelids. I want to go ahead and tightline, and I'm going to tightline with the gray, so I can show you what that looks like. It's not gray, it's a grayish silver. Yeah, so, but it's called Smoky. So I'm going to use this silver shimmer right here, and I'm going to do it with my flat BK Beauty brush here that I used a while ago. little crease brush, and I'm going to go into that dark brown. And now I'm going to take my brown eyeliner, which is called Wood, and we're going to go on and strengthen, bold the lash line. I'm going to take this chocolate brown here. I'm going to go with on my little brush like I did on one of the other looks. Just going to dip it on there. And I'm just lightly running it through those lashes. I'm going to use the Prime Lash Volumizer Mascara in black, and it says on the box, I love this, lashes that look professionally done. So here it is. I'm going to show you the brush. It's much fatter than the other one. You can see the bristles here. The look with the gray and the liner called Smoky, and Wood, which is the brown. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got maybe some tips out of there for the mature woman. I'd like to know which is your favorite look. Have you tried this mascara or these eyeliners? These eyeliners are $28 each, I do believe. But which, you know, that's about the going rate for a really good quality eyeliner. So now, the mascaras that has been around a while, I'm thinking, but these eyeliners are really cool. I mean, I really enjoyed them because, as you could see, that they were very easy to do. So, yeah, I'm going to leave their website, a link to their website down below in case you are interested in going and taking a look at them too. So I would like to take a moment right here and thank Prometics for sending me all these beautiful products, the eyeliners and the mascaras, and for sponsoring this video. And these products are absolutely fabulous. As you can tell, my lashes are very short right now, so maybe maybe I need to get some of the, what is it, the lash serum. I mean, these are, I'm struggling right now. I'm on the struggle bus with my lashes right now, but their mascaras are just lovely, and at least it does help make them show up. So I appreciate that so much. So I'm going to get out of here, ladies. Remember what I tell you every single day? Every day, get up and show up, ladies, because we are in the prime of our life.